When it comes to boosting your home's curb appeal in Fayetteville, few upgrades make as big of an impact as replacing old windows. Among the many options available, double-hung windows stand out as a timeless and versatile choice. They not only enhance your home's style but also offer practical benefits that appeal to homeowners and buyers alike. Timeless style that fits any Fayetteville home. One of the biggest advantages of double-hung windows is their classic design. With two operable sashes that slide vertically, they bring a traditional charm that pairs well with Fayetteville's diverse mix of architectural styles, from historic neighborhoods to modern suburban developments. Whether your home has colonial roots or a more contemporary look, double-hung windows complement the design without overpowering it. The clean lines and balanced proportions naturally draw the eye, making your home look polished and well-maintained from the street. For homeowners thinking about resale value, this curb-friendly feature can set your property apart in a competitive market. Versatility in design and finish is another reason double-hung windows are a favorite for Fayetteville residents is their wide range of customization options. You can choose from different materials such as wood, vinyl, or fiberglass, each with unique visual appeal and performance benefits. Color finishes, grid patterns, and trim styles allow you to match your home's personality perfectly. Want a bold statement? Opt for black frames that add a modern edge. Prefer a warm, classic look? Wood grain finishes deliver timeless charm. This flexibility ensures your new windows don't just blend in but actively contribute to your home's exterior character. Brightening your home's exterior presence. Curb appeal isn't only about what people see outside, it's also about how your home radiates light and warmth. Double-hung windows feature large glass areas that invite natural light inside, creating a welcoming glow that's visible from the street. In Fayetteville's sunny climate, this makes homes appear more open, cheerful, and inviting. At night, when lights shine through, the windows frame a cozy scene that enhances the property's overall charm. It's a subtle but powerful way to make your home stand out. Practical function meets lasting value. A beautiful home exterior is only part of the story. Fayetteville homeowners also value functionality, and double-hung windows deliver. Both sashes tilt inward, making cleaning easy, an especially important feature for multi-story homes. This means windows remain spotless, which directly improves how your home looks from the outside. Additionally, modern double-hung windows are built with energy efficiency in mind. Low-E glass, weather stripping, and insulated frames reduce energy loss, keeping your home comfortable year-round while lowering utility bills. Not only does this save money, but energy-efficient windows are also a selling point that adds long-term value. Enhancing neighborhood appeal. Curb appeal isn't just about individual homes, it contributes to the overall look of a neighborhood. In Fayetteville, where pride in community aesthetics is strong, upgrading to double-hung windows enhances more than just your own property. Well-kept windows add a sense of uniformity, cleanliness, and charm to entire streets, making neighborhoods more desirable. If you're part of a homeowners association or simply want to boost the beauty of your block, replacing outdated or damaged windows with stylish double-hung designs can make a collective impact. A smart investment for Fayetteville homeowners. Ultimately, double-hung windows combine aesthetic charm, energy efficiency, and low maintenance into one package. They improve curb appeal instantly, while also providing benefits that make everyday living more enjoyable. For Fayetteville homeowners looking to refresh their property, this upgrade is a smart and rewarding investment. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to take pride in how your home looks from the street, double-hung windows are a solution that balances beauty with practicality, ensuring your home makes a lasting impression.